Namaste guys, in this video we are going to learn about a simple JavaScript program in which you can do additions. Okay, suppose I want to do addition, so you can simply see I got the answer. So in this video we will learn how to make this. So let's start. So first I've created a HTML file, okay, and I've created a container called div. In this div all my elements, for example heading, input, label is present. So this is label A, basically this this one label A and input, and this is label B and this is input B. Okay, then I've created a button class B, and what I have done is that I have set on click call my function sum. Okay, and I have created another div called result. Now let's try to understand what they do. So let's try to understand first sum. So what I have said is that when I click on my button, okay, it will activate the function called sum. So let's see what is the sum function. So what I have done is I have said so I've created a variable called a. Okay, so it's saying that hey, whatever the value that is storing, it's number, and from where it is getting this value, it is getting this value from document dot get element by id, that is a. Okay, input value a, and what I want basically its value. If I don't type number, what will happen that when I enter the input, it will take number as a string. Just you know that I have entered input type as a number. Okay, the next one is again, this is for input b. Okay, I have again said hey, the next input is also going to get b, a number, and you will get the element by id p, and what I want its value, and I store in a variable called b. After that I created a variable called r, and I have simply just done the sum of it, a plus b. After that what I have done is I have selected my document by id result. You see I have created a div called result. Okay, so I've selected this and dot text content. It means that hey, in my div, what is my text content, return content, basically it is some $r. So it basically $r means basically that hey, it is basically a variable, so you will get the variable here. Oh, and it is a syntax to show it. Okay, and just to note that this is special symbol. Okay, you will find below your escape key. Okay, after that I have used my CSS style sheet, okay, to get a look like this. So you can create as per your requirement. Okay, it is quite beginner tutorial, but it's quite good. Just to note that only a single alphabet that you can use here, that is E5. E basically in alphabetical you can use E, but basically E means is how many number of zeros after that. Suppose I type 30E4, if I press result, you can see I get 4 zeros up. It means 30,000, 3 lakhs. Okay, so I hope you learned something. So if you want the code, check out my blog link in description and you will get the code there. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Namaste.